Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Tina Irvin and I'm going to show you how to get a really pretty galaxy background with gold accents. The color that I'm using here is called Pool and it's by Tim Holtz. The 70% rubbing alcohol didn't give it enough movement, so I went and added some of the 99% alcohol to make it flow a lot better. Now I'm adding a slightly darker color by Tim Holtz called Stream. And to get some more of the movement back into there, I just dripped some more of the 99% ISA, which means isopropyl alcohol. I actually really like the way it looks right now, and I kind of wish that I didn't go too much further. But I wanted to add some gold. It's Piñata rich gold. After some more 99% alcohol, I added some Wild Plum by Tim Holtz. I'm just kind of pausing here and wondering what my next move should be. More Wild Plum. And again, more alcohol, which really gave it a lot of flow. I kind of destroyed all of the really cool turquoise, but this was so much fun to work with and it looked really neat. This is another one of those moments where I probably should have just stopped. It looks kind of funny. I'm trying to get the alcohol to flow over a certain few spots that weren't covering. Sometimes painting the area with your finger or a Q-tip or something, it'll get the alcohol flowing in the spots where it seems to be missing. I had so much alcohol on there that I'm really just playing around with it and just trying to use it up and make that gold flow. I thought it needed something more, so I took a paintbrush and I dipped it in the alcohol and I'm just splattering little drops. Sometimes paintings don't turn out quite as you imagine. To be honest, I'm still going to go back to this piece another day and add to it. For now, it's just a really magical background. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to see more techniques and more pieces come to life.